Chief Minister Khemchand inspected the ongoing construction works at the National Sports University, which is being constructed at Imphal West District's Koutruk today. Speaking on the sideline, Chief Minister Khemchand called the National Sports University as dream project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also thanked Prime Minister Modi for establishing the one and only prestigious National Sports University in the state of Manipur. Chief Minister Khemchand was accompanied by Home Minister Govindas Konthocham, Sekwai MLA Kham Dingo, Thang MLA Robindra and other officials during the inspection visit. Later, in a post on X, Chief Minister Khemchand wrote that NSU is a proud recognition of Manipur's rich sporting legacy. The people of Manipur deeply appreciate this landmark initiative for empowering youth and strengthening sports infrastructure in the state. With key facilities nearing completion, the university is set to emerge as a premier center of sporting excellence.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की मतलब ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है। तो भारत में सबसे पहले बार नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी बनाया गया मणिपुर में। इस बात के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।